Google has just released a powerful new image model, Gemini 2.5 Flash, which they're playfully calling Nano Banana. In a recent post on X, Google AI Studio announced the preview, highlighting its state-of-the-art image generation and editing, incredible character consistency, and lightning-fast speed. It's now available for developers to try in AI Studio and through the Gemini API. Let's take a look at what it can do. On the official Google DeepMind page, you can see how Gemini can bring your imagination to life. It could edit existing images with simple text prompts like changing the text on this gas station sign. Or it can generate entirely new concepts like creating a clay sculpture based on a person's photograph. One of its most impressive features is the ability to keep characters consistent. You can provide an image of a character, like this cute T-Rex, and then generate new images of it in different outfits and scenarios, like a vampire or a pirate, while maintaining the original look. It could even transform a real photo of a dog into a 16-bit video game character or show the same person in a variety of different jobs. Another powerful tool is its ability to combine and create. Here, it seamlessly merges an image of a mountain with whales jumping out of the water. It can also create surrealist art by combining a fork and spaghetti. You also have precise control over the details. Watch as it takes this photo of a decayed, abandoned hall and with a simple prompt completely restores it to a clean, brand new state. It can also make targeted edits like changing all the blue surfaces in this image to green or completely altering the mood by transforming a stormy tornado scene into a calm, sunny day. Gemini can also push design boundaries. You can use a color palette to restyle an entire living room, turn a real portrait into a stylized cartoon character on a vintage cereal box, or even generate a realistic image from a technical blueprint like this igloo. The model is available to try right now through Google AI Studio. Now, I'll show you how to use it for free. From the Google AI Studio homepage, select the Gemini Native Image option. This will take you to the image generation interface. Here, you can upload images to use in your prompt. I'm going to upload two pictures, one of a water bottle and another of a man on a mountain. My prompt will be, give the man a bottle of water, and he is drinking from it. And just like that, the model generates a new image. As you can see, it perfectly understood the request, placing the water bottle from the first image into the man's hand from the second image, and realistically showing him drinking from it. The character, background, and lighting all remain consistent. This is just a small example of what's possible with Google's new image model. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.